Floral 5 composition revolves around this lovely orchid. With beautiful blooms of soft violet hues and fragrant spicy floral scent, it comes as no surprise that it has enraptured the hearts of many. We know that essential oils can help us therapeutically in many ways. Likewise, these therapeutic orchid scents infused in the composition enable us to feel calm, relaxed, and rejuvenated while having the ability to heal with its medicinal values. They have been recorded for its herbal usage in treating diverse illnesses. This therapeutic orchid with striking fiery red blooms is often used in traditional Chinese medicine to improve blood circulation, relieve rheumatic pain, and to treat fractures. The leaves of this plant can be consumed and was considered a delicacy. Used wholly in decoction, this orchid helps prevent fever, detoxify the body, improves blood flow, and reduces swellings of the body. It can also be used in treatment of tuberculosis, hepatitis, and sores. These orchid scents are amazing by themselves, but with the addition of other woody scent notes, it forms a harmonious symphony that is truly enchanting and captivating. These woody base notes, such as oak, amber, and cedar, add a lingering depth and warmth to the composition. Aromatic, woody, with earthy nuances, oak is simply a delightful ingredient. It is such a versatile and complementary note that it can be encountered in oriental, floral, or woody fragrances. Best of all, it has amazing longevity. Warm, powdery, sweet, and woody, amber is used as a fantasy note in perfumery that helps in elevating the sophistication of a fragrance. Taking care of both our mental and physical well-being, amber essential oils are not only beneficial in treating anxiety and depression while helping to relax and improve cognitive function, it can also temporarily relieve pain when applied topically. The last soft woody note in this composition is cedar, which remains a classic ingredient in many perfumes. Encompassing a dash of sweetness and refreshment, it adds an interesting element to the fragrance. Other than perfumery uses, early records have revealed that cedar essential oil has been used since centuries ago for sedative and medicinal purposes. Now it is still commonly used to achieve similar effects in the practice of aromatherapy to benefit mental and physical health. This is not your usual floral scent. Sophisticated, refined, and elegant, it has a complex and sensual mix of floral notes that are lightly supported by warm, woody hues lingering. A fragrance that brings out the sweet, charming, warm-hearted soul in you.